Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when Farming Simulator is stuck on loading screen. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, first things first, you want to go ahead and check if your windows are up to date. So just go to settings and on Windows Update, if there's any updates, go ahead and update them. Another thing would be to go to Task Manager and end all of the tasks related to Farming Simulator. So for me, it would be this one to end the task. And if there's any Farming Simulator, you want to go ahead and end the task. After you've done that, you want to go ahead and check if the problem persists or not when you open up your Farming Simulator again. If the problem persists, you need to check your drivers. For example, for me, it would be on NVIDIA app and also on Device Manager. So on NVIDIA app, there are drivers. So you can go ahead and check if there's any driver updates here. And also on Device Manager, on Control Panel, you can go ahead and check your display adapters. And here's my driver. Here it is. You want to go ahead and update if there's any updates. Now, another thing you can try to do is go ahead, open up your documents right there, then go to My Games, Farming Simulator, and find the mods folder. After that, you want to go ahead and rename your mods folder to mods old, for example. Now you want to launch the game. It should fix that problem, and after your game is no longer stuck, you can just rename it back to the mods. It shouldn't be a problem. And that's that. And the last thing which you can do and which should work is to run your Farming Simulator as administrator, just like so. Just right click on it, run as admin, click yes, and now it should work just fine without a loading screen stuck. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.